Sometimes, late at night, when everything is quiet, I find myself asking, what if this life isn't all there is? When my last breath comes, will that be the end of me? Or is it only the beginning? If I close my eyes in death tonight, where will I open them? Will I see light or darkness? Will I recognize anyone? Will I see the faces of those I've loved and lost? Can they see me now? Do they hear my prayers? Have my words somehow reached them? Or have I believed something I only hoped was true? They say heaven is real, but is it truly a place? Or just a beautiful idea we tell ourselves to ease the pain? And hell, is it real fire, real separation, real judgment? Or just a metaphor for suffering here on earth? If it's real, how would I know where I am going? Can science answer this? Can it explain what happens to me when my body dies? What about my thoughts, my memories, my consciousness? Do they simply vanish into nothing? Or do I continue somewhere, somehow? And if there is life beyond the grave, why does my heart feel like it already knows? Why do I fear death if it is only silence? Why do I long for eternity if I was never meant for it? What if I'm wrong? What if I've ignored the most important truth of my existence? What will matter 5 minutes after I die? Will my success matter? My possessions? My achievements? Or only this? Where will I spend eternity? Am I ready? This Sunday, March 19th, 2026, 9:30 in the morning at New Life Community Church, discover the answers to the questions you've been afraid to ask. The certainty of life beyond the grave.